Hello friends, I am Pritham and in this video I will be unboxing the Huawei Watch GT 2e. I shall be also telling you why you should absolutely buy this beautiful smartwatch and not any other smartwatch. So keep watching till the end and let's start with the unboxing first. As I have already explained, shown in the video, the amazing features and functions of Huawei Watch GT2e, the most highlighting feature of Huawei Watch GT2e is the battery life. The 2 weeks of battery life is something you won't get in any other brand, in any other smartwatch except Huawei. So if you are looking for a smartwatch which is not only perfect from the price point of view but also having a great battery life, Huawei Watch GT2e is the perfect choice for you in 2020. I hope you like this video. This video was shot on Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, and I thank to the Huawei India community for providing the unit to review. I'll be putting the link in the description below to check this out. You can go and join, it's absolutely free. And till then, take care. Bye bye.